What's up, Chicklets? It's your boy Chicken, back once again with another reaction video, this time bringing back Dimash. This is Unforgettable Day at Gakku Voice 2017. This one was suggested by one of the Chicklets out there, you know, some time ago. And yeah, your boy able to get to it, but yeah, we've been rocking out some Dimash this week, so why not keep it going and see what he do with this performance right here. Live performance, see the live stage, see the crowd. So yeah, let's dive into this, man. Let's see what Dimash is gonna bring to this one. But before we do that, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, leave a like on the video, bloop, and yeah, let's go ahead and avoid traffic. Beep beep beep, and get into the reaction. Going crazy. Dimash, giving the flowers. Oh no, is that black white? Oh no, it's flowers. Not even say. Yeah, black white. Look like he used to be a monk. All right, here we go.
Бір көргенмен ғашық болдым өзіңе, еркелеген балдай тәтті сөзіңе.
Oh wait, hold on. Alright, well, I guess I'll go ahead and mention I like the way his voice is sounding already to start this off, but I don't have the lyrics for this one, so yeah, I guess it wouldn't really matter because I'm just like really just listening to it and just trying to enjoy the vocals. But yeah, perhaps I'll look at the lyrics afterwards and try to find a translation or a video with subtitles as well. But for now, I'm just gonna go ahead and try to just enjoy the performance. Let's go ahead and dissect some of this. I'm gonna take it back a little bit because I like that little beat drop in. But okay, I like the amount of control he has over his voice, man. That's just, it's fantastic to watch. But his vocals sound very nice in here, very soft. I'm enjoying the sounds. I love how the ladies is going crazy, man. You can hear them all screaming for Dimash. But yo, he's a pretty boy, man. Got a beautiful voice, so you know, can you expect no less. So, but anyways, so far so good. Performance is very nice. I'm enjoying his vocals. Very, like I said, very soft and stuff like that. So, yeah, he's doing a great job in this. like that switch right there, you know what I mean? That's one of the great things about Dimash is that versatility, you know? He started one way, you know, singing very like soft, like a softer tone, and now he's getting more hard-edged, raspier. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I really like about him so much is that he could switch it so easily and effortlessly, and he got such a range, man. And I'm telling you, this dude can go, he can go, he can go off the scales. You know what I'm saying? So, but yeah, I love that. But yeah, sounding really nice here too as well. So let's keep going. Man, oh my goodness, what I tell you, man, dude could just turn it up so much, man. And I really love that higher pitch, man. I really love it. It's just crazy, ridiculous. I love watching the people's faces too in the audience, man. That's pretty cool too. But man, just playing, just messing around, ain't you, Dimash? Look at your face. Goodness, man. So easy for him, man. Say you can go off the scales, man. That's the first time I literally heard him go off the damn scales. What? What was that sound? What was that sound? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What? It was like, what? It sounded like a pot, you know what I mean? Steam pot going on. I can't do it. I can't get to that level. What? What? Oh my goodness, this is crazy. All right, hold on one more time. No word. Wow. Alright guys, that was very unforgettable. Unforgettable Day by Dimash, man. Official reaction by your boy Chicken. That was a hell of a performance, man. I enjoyed that. Once again, Dimash doing a great job with the build-up too, you know what I mean? Switching around and everything, using the maximum of his potential in his voice and his great vocals. But wow, that note at the end, that was like, what? What was that, man? So Man, I was feeling a strong 4 for most of the performance, man. But then he switched that. Man, he did so much in his performance, man. I don't think I can give it anything other than a 5 out of 5, man. So this is pretty great, man. I enjoyed that. So I'm going to give it a 5 out of 5, man. Dimash delivers here in this performance. Showed a great range. Great range in this performance. I enjoyed that a lot. And yeah, man. Looks like we got Screaming official English music video, and then we got Screaming / Idol hits after that. So we're gonna, you know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? We're gonna keep Dimash week going, pretty much, I guess you could say. This is Dimash week because I've been jamming out to Dimash, man. So yeah, great performance. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this one up, guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys. You guys are amazing, man. The greatest people on the planet. The Chicklets. The Chicklets. Greatest people on the planet. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel or you haven't pressed that subscribe button yet. Leave a like on the video if you guys enjoyed my reaction. And yeah, you guys can leave some comments in the comments section below. Let me know how your day is going because I will be curious to know. So yeah, let me know how you guys doing, you know what I'm saying? Let me know what y'all up to. How the day going for y'all. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video. Oh, scared you.